Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and let's get into this. All right, as you can see here, I have a bone-in pork butt that I'm adding a rub to. I picked this rub up at my local grocery store. They make them in-house. I really enjoy them. I think this one was the Kansas City rub, if I remember correctly. So either make your own rub or pick up whatever your favorite one is from the store. And then you want to rub all sides again. Don't worry about overdoing it. It's fine. So every square centimeter of this gonna get some rub. And when it's looking a little something like this, we're ready to bring it out to the smoker. So you have your smoker set for 225, and you'll want to smoke this for hours. At least 4 if you plan to finish it off in the oven, but hell, up to 8, 9, 10, 12, 14 if you plan to do it all the way on the smoker. All right, we're a couple of hours in. Our butt's looking fine. All right, let's go in the house and make the sauce. All right, let's make a buffalo barbecue sauce. 2 tablespoons of butter that I have melted up. We're going to add 1 cup of Frank's Red Hot hot sauce, or 1 cup of your favorite hot sauce. A half a cup of ketchup. And then we want to have a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Then add 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Then we want to add salt and pepper. Then grab a whisk everything together, and over medium heat, you want to simmer this until it's slightly thick, about 5 to 10 minutes. If you're on an electric, maybe go for 20. Go to whatever consistency you like. Remember what I said about the importance of tasting. After 5 minutes or so, I tasted it and decided something was off, so I decided to add a little sweet in there. So I added, you don't have to, I added a tablespoon of brown sugar. And then again, let it simmer for about, again, another 5 minutes or so. All right, let's make some smoked pork fries. All right, in a bowl, as you can see, I'm adding some fries. These are shoestring fries. You can really use whatever fries you want. So add some of them to a bowl. And then we want to add some of that wonderful smoked pork that we did. Giving it a bit of an additional shredding. Then some Colby Jack cheese. And then a healthy drizzling of our buffalo barbecue sauce. And let Chef Mike melt up the cheese. And with about a minute with Chef Mike, the cheese is all melted up and wonderful. And that's that. Smoked pork fries. Done.